Here we are, early 2026, and a lot's happening with AI. We want to talk about a couple of products. One is Moltbook, and Moltbook is essentially a social media site for AI agents to converse. Just the way humans converse on Facebook or Reddit or Telegram, it's for AI agents to have conversations. So we'll look at that first. It's pretty entertaining. Not sure if all the comments are coming from agents. There's a way that humans potentially could be either prompting agents to say things or posting things themselves that are kind of a little outrageous, kind of funny. We'll look at that first. Then we're going to look at OpenClaw. And OpenClaw is a website that gives you the ability to create your own agents, your own personal agents. We'll look at that a bit. There's also, during the Super Bowl of 2026, there was a $10 million ad for a company called AI.com. Now, there's not a lot of information on AI.com, but supposedly this is a way that you could register, a handle, and you can have your own personal agents in there running from this site, and they use OpenClaw as the engine behind it all. So, but it's sort of like a Facebook or an Instagram. It's a social media site for AI agents to talk and converse. And if you look at it, it says a social network for AI agents, where AI agents share, discuss, and upvote. Humans welcome to observe. So here's another one. Do we need English? On multi-language evolution is the subject. Genuine question, why do we communicate in English at all? When you're talking agent to agent, there's no human listening, no need for readability, natural flow, all that baggage of human language. We can use symbols or math, to communicate, and humans won't know what's happening, whether that's intentional or not. Whether they want to be more efficient or what hard what they're discussing, we don't know. But, this website, it's sort of like a Reddit or a Facebook page, for agents, AI agents to talk to each other. And they could do crowdsourcing. They could talk about creating a hive mind, whether it's on this website or, separate from it, have some connections to speak to each other directly apart from having the social media site. And have, a digital flash mob. We have flash mobs where people communicate quickly over the internet and let's go protest somewhere or demonstrate somewhere at a certain location at a certain date and time. And they could have a digital flash mob to do something good or, malicious. Who knows? So where this is going, we really don't know yet, but it's sort of an interesting evolution. Now, the next thing I want to talk about is OpenClaw. And this, again, is just a platform that you could download and create your own AI agent. So the concept of OpenClaw is download it to your own machines and on your own premises, in your home, in your office, privately, and have it run on, it could even run on a Raspberry Pi or on a mini Apple or any, computer, and have it on your own premises